Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. This is your boy Pedro, back with another video on Novatech. Today, I want to talk to you about the disclaimer, because many people are saying, why would you say you can only invest or you can afford to lose? I know many people right there, they're just starting the investment journey. Is their first time investing, so they really don't know what goes on in investment, so they are clueless. That's why I'm making this video. Before we go on Novatech step by step, I first of all want to talk to you about what happens, okay, in investment. So investment is like what is happening right now in the war between Russia and Ukraine. So it's the same as investment. If you want to talk about on YouTube, you want to make a video about what is happening in Ukraine, it doesn't matter if you're going to say you support Ukraine or you support Russia. First of all, you have to say you don't condone what is going on, which means you are against the war, you have to portray Russia as the invader. You have to say all that kind of stuff before even you move on to your idea, like what you want to talk about. Before you come in to say, okay, oh, Russia is right, or Ukraine is right, or that person is wrong. So first of all, you have to condemn what is going on. That is what happens with investment. That's what is going on. So you cannot come here and show your support straight away. Whichever team you are in, you have to first of all condemn what is going on. That's how it is. So it's a default. So the disclaimer is a default that has to be there. You cannot come in here and say you're talking about finance as a financial advisor, because nobody pays me or pays anyone else on YouTube to advise them on finance. So as long as we don't get paid on finance, we are not supposed to come here and talk as a financial advisors. So we have to make it clear, like we are not financial advisors. Like when I'm talking, I have to make it clear I'm not a financial advisor, because if something goes wrong to whoever you thought, like whatever you were expecting is not what you get, or you were expecting high yields, but that week or that month it wasn't high yield, then I can be sued for not saying, like, I'm not your financial advisor. And I can be sued for not saying you should only invest or you can afford to lose. So anyone else is liable in that. So you have to say it, like you should only invest or you're supposed to lose. But rich people, they know already that is a default. So everybody should invest where they can afford to lose. So that's what it is. You have to do that. Yeah. So for Novatech, now let's move on with Novatech. Novatech is a forex and crypto trading platform where it's like a company. So it is a broker, basically. It's a broker where you can come and trade. A broker, if you don't know, broker is a middleman, basically. So broker works between, in the terms of finance, forex trading, they work between the central market and the investor. So they act as the middleman, basically. So for us as investor, if you want to trade in the forex market, you cannot just come with your money and because for you to join the central market, it requires a lot of paperwork. It requires a lot of money as well, and a lot of proving that you have to do. So you can't just do it as an individual trader going straight away to the central market. But the way you do it, because they give all those privileges to the brokers and the investors, like retailers, they call us retail traders. We have to go through brokers. The broker are the ones that facilitate, because they have a lot of money, so they are market makers. They facilitate for us to trade in the central market. It's like with real estate. With real estate is like the real estate agent are the ones that act as the middleman. So if you want to buy a house, or you want to buy a pub, you want to buy a hotel, whatever, so the first person is real agent. Then the real agent is the one that is gonna connect you with the seller, and they will do the paperwork and all that kind of stuff. So you, as a buyer, you don't run risk, and the seller as well doesn't run the risk. So the real estate, that's why they get paid, because they act in between. They will be they will be acting with the banks and all that kind of stuff. So they're taking the full risk. That's why you have to pay them. So it's the same as in the Uber. Uber is a broker as well, because they act between the customer and the driver. So if the Uber driver acts or commits crime, so the first person to be contacted, it will be the Uber, because the Uber will be the checks of the driver, will be doing the checks of the driver. They will be doing the checks of the customer. So they know all about the customer as the same, as well as all about the driver. So they are the brokers that take the risk throughout the whole process. So if the driver gets attacked by a customer, the first person that will know where that customer lives and where he stays is the broker, who is the Uber. So if you want to take taxi and be safe, that's what you have to do. Choose a broker at least. That way, then you consider yourself as safe. It's the same as the drivers. If they want to be safe, they could be doing taxi on their own, but at the same time it's much more riskier. Depends on where you live. It's much more riskier than, or in some places it's not even allowed for you to do that. So like in the UK, it's not allowed unless you have to be through different company for you to do the taxi. So it's the same goes on in financial services. Sorry, I went on, but it's to explain who the broker is. So the same as forex brokers, financial brokers, they do that. So they act in the 6 trillion market, which is the forex market. You have to have a broker for you to benefit from that 6 trillion that goes on every single day, that goes around every single day. For you to get your profit as well, you have to have a broker. But the good thing about Novatech, they are market makers, but at the same time they came in to level up the playing field. So they came in. Before, you have to be a good trader to make profit. You will always lose. You will lose, but you will still make profit if you can calculate your risks. But so that means you have to know how to trade the forex market, which is different when it comes to Novatech. With Novatech, even if you don't know how to trade, you can still invest and make profit, because 3.24% on average every week is a lot of money. Many people don't understand. If you start making that money now, depending on how much you invest in, you just have to put in time, and that's it. You're not doing anything. You're just putting time. You just leave your money there, and every Friday you come in, you upgrade the account. You come in every Friday, you upgrade the account. You're making money. So before you know it, the years have passed. You've made a lot of money out of it. And there's not many brokers that do that. The few brokers do it, I know. I think Forex is the best. I mean, Novatech is the best, you know. Novatech is the best because you sleep and forget that you've invested. You are not worried at all because the company is doing everything for you. You don't have to worry or lose your sleep because of the money that you've invested, which happens in many companies. Like, you will invest your money, and many platforms that are coming and going, you can just come in and invest your money. After few weeks they've gone, you've already lost. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Now we're gonna move on and show you the step by step how you. So if you're planning to invest with Novatech, first of all, you have to have the amount required for you to invest. So as the company, they require you. They have packages. They have builder package, bronze package, silver package, gold package, platinum package, and VIP package. So anything below the VIP package, you pay $25 per month, and above $25,000 is VIP, so you will not be paying the $25 per month. So with the builder package, it starts with 100, or well, they say 99 to 499. That is called the builder package. And you have the bronze package, which starts 500, I think, to 2,499. Well, I could be wrong, so let me bring it up so we can all see what's going on, like properly, because I'm saying it from my head. I don't want that. So before I bring that, I understood, and I wanted to show something here so we can read this, all of us. So it says the PAM account. So we're talking about PAM account right here. This is the PAM account we're talking about, which you earn 3.24% on average per week. So it says the PAM account is a unique product that allows investors to earn without having to trade. You can invest your funds in Novatech's master account to be traded by our experienced team of traders. We receive a percentage of the profits we earn from trading with your funds as a reward. No experience needed. You understand? So they will trade with your money and they take the profit out and they pay you, like, on average 3.424%. So there are weeks where you get 4%, there are weeks you get 2%, there are weeks you get, but on average it works out as 3.24%. So now let's go and see the packages so you can see what we're talking about. So we go to compare plans. So right here we have let's go. So then we're gonna click join as affiliate. I think that's where we're gonna see the information. So let's open join as affiliate as an affiliate. Let's see what that brings. Yep, this is where we want to be, right here. So these are what the membership levels they have right here. So if you are new, you can go onto the channel, to my YouTube channel, and watch more videos on Novatech, because I touched on all of this. So make sure you go there and watch that. But today I'm gonna go step by step and show you this. So we have the affiliate license. This one I heard is just required by law. They have to provide this. So this one is the $49.95. You will be paying $25 dollars. I mean, $2.95 per month to be part of this program. This program, the 49.95, is for you just to invite other people to join, and the more people you invite, then that's how you will be getting paid every month. Is one time fee, I think. So then you'll be just paying $2.95. So you get paid bonuses, like depending on how many people you invite basically to join. But the package starts with the builder package right here, which is as you can see right here. So we have the builder package right here, which is 99.49, and we have another one which is right here, 500, which is bronze package. Then we have silver package, we have gold package, and we have platinum package. So platinum package, which is the last package before you reach the VIP package. So from this point, or this one to all to the left, yeah, from here to the left, you pay $25 per month staying in this area, and you're still making the 3.24 profit. But at the end of the month, after 30 days, like every 30 days, you pay $25 fee for the maintenance and all that kind of stuff. And above this point, like right here, all this and above, you don't pay anything. Everything is waived. You just get paid the 3.24% on average every week. And these are the package. But what I do say every time, like, do not start with 100. Like, do not start with 100 and relax. Never. Yeah, never do this, because it's very important not to do it, because if you do this, then you'll be losing money, and you don't want this to happen for you. So what you want basically is to get, my recommendation is normally 1,000 and above. Yeah, if you want to start, you are not struggling, 1,000 and above. So if you're not struggling, $1,000 and above is the good point for you to start and grow your account as you go along. Every single Friday you keep upgrading your account, which I'm going to show you. I've shown it in the last video, but I'm going to show you here as well. So if you are struggling, for example, if you are struggling and you still want to invest in Novatech, you should start with $250. This one for a struggling guy. If you are struggling, okay. If you are not struggling, start with 1,000 or above. If you are struggling, then start with this $250. Yeah, I will show you why I say that. So I'll show you why it's important and why you shouldn't start with 100. Okay, so let's go let's go ahead so I can show you why you shouldn't start with 100. So if you want to go ahead and plan your investment, you use this compounding interest calculator. So the website is called thecalculatorsite.com. That's where you should come always to check if you're actually going to make money or you're going to lose. But it doesn't mean you have to spend the money according to the calculator. You have to spend the time, because this calculator works according to the time you've given it. It's not like, okay, oh, in 5 years I'll be a millionaire, then I should be spending right now. No, you have to be patient and investing the amount of the money that you've put in here. So let's go, as I said, showing you $100. As I said, you shouldn't invest in Novatech with $100 because you'll be losing money. So let's put $100 and put 3.24 as our weekly payment, and put, for example, 6 years here. This is 2022, so until 2028. And here you put 52 weeks because we get paid every single week regardless of December or not, you still get paid. So it's 52 weeks per year. And you put here, you say $25 withdraw, which you're going to be paying per service. Obviously, you're not even going to pass the first month. It's just going to be 1 month and that's it. So let's calculate and show you. Remember, once your account is below $100, they don't trade with it. They will still be taking the payment, but they won't trade with your account. So that means you won't get paid anything because your account is below 100. So this is 1 million, negative 1,435,000. That is just an hypothesis because you're not gonna reach this area. So let's show you on monthly basis where you're gonna stop. So as it stands right here, so you're just gonna stop right here, as you can see right here. So you're gonna stop by the first month. As soon as you pay the $25, and you're gonna have 89. So 89, that means the next month you're not gonna get paid. I mean, they're just gonna take the 25 again, and that's it. They will take the 25 again and again until you lose the full account. Because here obviously is even calculating that you will still be making some money, but all this will not happen as soon as you are below $100 here. As soon as you are below $100, is not, all this is not gonna happen. So once they take the $25, that's it. Your account will go into negative, and until they finish taking the remaining 25. Okay, so what I recommend right here is this, as I said earlier. So 250, for example, with 250, because 250 will start covering up. It's going to be slow, don't get me wrong, it's going to be slow, but it will still be covering that $25. You understand? So if we go here, as you can see right here, so your first month you will have 262, for example. Why? Because on the first month you get paid 37 right here, $37, and you pay 25 out of it. See? So the 12 remaining, that's what will be added into your account. You see that 12 remaining that's what will be added. So next week then you will start, next month you will start now with 262. So with that 262, you will make now you've gone up with $1. You can see right here, you've gone up by $1. Look here. So that now will take you up. Once you add it, then they will take another 25. So you have now gone up a little bit again. You can see right here. So eventually, if you are patient, you'll be growing your account slowly and so on. By a year, then you'll be more than double. You understand? Because you've started, it's gonna be slow. It's gonna be slow. So you're gonna double your account. Normally, if you start with 1,000, you will double in 6 months. But if you start with 250, you will not double in 6 months. It's going to be in 8 months. Not even 8. It's going to be in 11 months. So 250, it will take you like 11 months for you to double, because you're growing very, very slow. You'll be growing very, very slow, but you will not be losing money. You will still be growing. That is because you are struggling. Okay, so if you're not struggling, then let's go with 1,000. I'll show you now with 1,000 and see how you will grow quickly. Because with 1,000 you will grow quickly, and I'll show you how. See, so with 1,000, this is after 6 years, this is what you come up with. You understand? So it might not be this, but it's going to be close to this. So add or take a little. So 17 million, we can say, okay, forget this, but say 17 million. Or let's say forget this, then it's going to be 15 million. So it depends on how you are withdrawing every single, because you'll be withdrawing as we go along. I'm sure you're not going to leave your money, even if you only started with 1,000. I'm not sure you're gonna leave it for 5 years without taking anything out of it. I'm sure you'll be withdrawing. So that's how it will depend on how much you withdraw as you go along. So as you can see right here, if you started with 1,000, it's gonna take you 6 months. You see right here, for you to double your account, which is different to the 250. If you started with 250, it's going to take you 11 months. So to to double. So that's why I say, if you are struggling, yes, start with 250, but make sure you adding something on it, so you can speed up your account as well. Because if you're adding at least 50 or 25 at least, then you are shortening the time. Your money will work less harder. Because if you leave it very, very small, your money will work really, really, really hard. Really, really, really hard. And you're punishing your money basically. So in here, as you can see right here, then it's going to take you 6 months to double your account. So this number goes down as the more money you invest. The more money you invest, the number of the months that you will double shortens down. You understand? So as you can see right here, this is the 1,000. So we're talking about 1,000. This is how it's gonna grow. You understand? So now let's move on now and say about Novatech. Let's move on with getting started. I've shown you already the packages. Now getting started. So you'll see the link in the description. So that link, when you click it, don't click it if you haven't bought your crypto yet. So first of all, go to your Binance, put the money in, buy the Litecoin, then come in Novatech, click the link, fill up the form. As soon as you fill up the form, then go to funding. Go to funding. So I'm going to show you how to do the funding in a minute. So this is what let's go now to Novatech and show you. So when you come to Novatech, when you click the link, this is what's going to come up. Depends if you are on computer or on the phone. So if you are on the phone like me right now, this is what's going to come up. So this is what you're going to see. So you fill up the form. It's self-explanatory, so you don't need too much explanation. So you fill up the form. Depending, I think some states in USA, they are not allowed in this broker. I'm not sure. I think I had I think Texas. I'm not sure, but I think Texas is not part of this. People from Texas, I think 3 or 4 states, I think, I'm not sure, but everyone else, you can come whatever you are around the world. So fill this form. Once you've been already in you have your money ready, I mean your Litecoin ready. So use Litecoin is my recommendation. Is no Novatech recommendation. Is my recommendation because I use it ERC20 before USDT ERC20. It was way more expensive compared to Litecoin. Litecoin is the cheapest you can use. I haven't tried Bitcoin because you can use Bitcoin as well if you want to, but Litecoin is just way cheaper not to use it. So once you fill up the form, you do all this, you click tick the agreement, then complete the enrollment. Once you complete the enrollment, what you have to do now is go to the funding. So let's log into my account and show you how you do the funding. So when you come to your, we've just logged in. When you come to your account, this is what you will see. So you choose because you choose your website name, that will be your link you'll be giving to people. So once you finish that and you come to your account now, because you will have 48 hours for you to fill up your account. I have been seeing so many people joining, but after 48 hours they're not funding their account up before 48 hours. So their accounts are being deleted automatically, and you don't want to be one of those. So if you want to join, make sure you buy your cryptocurrency, be ready, then come to join. Then you come to this once you log in. So this is your dashboard, your back office. So what you have to do, you come to this menu right here. If you're on mobile phone, this menu right here, that's where you will come. So you click menu right here, then you click funding, right here. As you can see right here, funding right here, that's where we're gonna click. So once you click funding, then you click upgrade account right here, upgrade account, this one here, upgrade account. And I'll go to my upgrade history so I can so you go upgrade account, upgrade account, and you click that upgrade account. I think I've clicked the wrong thing. Oops, forget that. So you click upgrade account, and this is what will come up right here. So you then write, for example, right here. So you will write right here or how much you want to invest. For example, if you are starting with 250, you tap 250 right here, 250. And once you tap 250, click add funds, add funds, and this will come up, will load, and it will be here. It will be asking you if you want to, if e-wallet is the money you already been paid by Novatech, but because we're talking about outside, so you're gonna click coin payments right here. So coin payments is a company where they will provide you with, then here you choose Litecoin right here, you choose Litecoin. So let me restart that. So right here, this point here, coin type, make sure you select Litecoin. So make sure you select Litecoin, this one, LTC. You select LTC, and you come here, you choose all the agreement right here, you choose agreement, right here, agreement. You click that, then you click validate. You click validate right here, then it's been validated. Now you have to click upgrade now, upgrade account now. You click upgrade account now, right here, you click upgrade account now. Once you upgrade the account, then coin payment, they will provide you with the link and the QR code that you can scan, or you can take to your you can scan for you to withdraw the money from your Binance to Novatech. You understand? So I will do another video to show how to withdraw the money from Binance. I think I've done that already. I'm not sure. I can't remember now. But for some people, it seems like they don't watch all the videos. So I'll see if I can share the link as well on that video. But yeah, so right here, this is what you do, and the money will come to your trading account. Once the money is in your trading account, you don't have to do anything. That's it. Leave it that way until next week, Friday. You come into your account, you will get paid already. Then upgrade, do the same process of upgrading. Now, this time, you will not do that. You will click now, right here, you click e-wallet. Then e-wallet, then you will put the pin that you've created yourself when you were registering. As soon as you register, make sure you remember the pin that you put in your e-wallet. Make sure you put a proper pin that you remember, like the 4-digit number that you will remember, so that you don't miss it. So that's what it is. Then that's it. You move on. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I'm not sure if I've forgotten anything. So on this video, there will be the link for Novatech and the link for the Telegram group. So if you have questions, you can comment in the video, or you can go to the Telegram group and ask me there, or asking you might not ask to the group, but you can go ask me in private or in the group. It doesn't matter. You ask me and I will be able to answer you. And if you've joined the Novatech, let me know, just so I can guide you if you have difficulty or anything like that. So I'm sure this video has been long, but it's been more explanation in it. So make sure you are if you're joining, make sure the excitement of winning is much bigger than the fear of losing. That is a quote from Robert Kiyosaki. So if you haven't read his book yet, make sure you go and read it or listen to it in audiobook. It's called Rich Dad and Poor Dad. That is the first book. Then you have the cash flow quadrant is there as well. You can listen to it. That will help you move on in the investment world. So I wanted to stop this video already because it's been too long. So make sure you share, subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.